Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the 2022 Artlii Energon 2. This version includes many cool features like AirPlay, Miracast, as well as Bluetooth amongst other features. The product packaging looks good. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one carrying case, for users to carry the product safely around when traveling or working. Once opened, the casing will contain the Artlii Energon 2 projector, packed nicely in a protective wrap. Also included is a user guide, to guide users on how to use the projector. A physical remote is provided if users want to control the projector from a distance. A HDMI cable is provided for HDMI connection. Users can use an AV cable to connect their screens to the projector. A power cord is provided too, to connect the projector to a wall outlet, all packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Artlii Energon 2 looks really sleek and stylish in design. It has smooth curvatures on the projector, further accentuating its elegance and design. At the back of the projector, there are multiple connection ports for different connection modes, like HDMI, USB, AV, SD card and even VGA connection modes. A good range of options available on this projector. It comes with a removable lens cover to protect the projector lens when not in use. At the side of the projector, I can see that there are air vents to help the projector cool down during use. The design also looks good too. At the base of the projector, I noticed an adjustable stand, where on a push of a button, I can get the stand propelled out. It is a sturdy projection stand with a rubber pad to it to prevent it from sliding around. The projector has an overall modern metallic silver body to it, which looks really cool with a hint of shine to it. Let's power it on. After plugging it in, press the power button to turn it on. Once turned on, if the image is not clear, adjust the focal length of the projector to get it to focus. Adjust it to clarity. At the back, there is a keystone corrector. Adjust the vertical angle of the screen to an ideal setting with this keystone corrector. Now, once the angle and focal length is set, let's set the projector language, available in multiple languages for users. Let's select English. One thing I like is the touch control panels, where I can use the touch panel to adjust and select options on the projector. Firstly, I will set the Wi-Fi connection up. It is important for me to use screen mirroring over Wi-Fi if I want to later on. Select your Wi-Fi from the list of available Wi-Fi networks and connect. There is Bluetooth connectivity on this projector. This Bluetooth connectivity feature is useful. First I will try out the HDMI feature on this projector. All I have to do is connect the HDMI cable to my projector and computer. Thereafter, on the home page menu, select the HDMI slot I connected to, and launch it. My screen is now projected on the projector. Speeds when I am using it. Now let's check screencasting, using Wi-Fi cast. Once I enter the mode, select the type of device to cast. In my case it will be Miracast, as I use an Android device. Go to the settings menu of your smartphone and connect to the projector. It connects promptly. Screencasting is an easy way for me to project my smartphone screen to the projector without a physical connection like HDMI. The speed is relatively quick too for me to project things onto the screen when I need to. If I want to share photos or videos, I can do so with an SD card too. Insert into the slot and start browsing your files, so easy. Overall, the 2022 Artlii Energon 2 is a good quality projector that I can use for my streaming needs, as well as video projection needs. I love the clarity of the display, as well as sharpness it projects images. Use it to play football or sports matches to enjoy the game. If you want to find out more about what the Artlii Energon 2 can provide, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.